All right, I'm gonna show you the best way that I found to get these dreaded EGR bolts out of the 6.7 Powerstrokes, and this is all across the board on them. This is an 18 model for reference, but a lot of times these break down here when you're taking them out, and it's because they're titanium, so a lot of times they will gall up in that cast, having two dissimilar metals like that. But the trick to really get these out is not to warm it up, you know, get it real hot and then break them free. You really will break them if you do that. I've heard of people getting them out with doing that, but I'd be more afraid to break them because of the cast getting hot and then getting cold. The best method that I've found is to leave it setting overnight. Take either, if you have an impact driver, use it on the tops of those bolts and hit the fuck out of it, and that's gonna free it up. If you don't have an impact driver, then you can use a 1/2 inch extension like this. Just get it down in there on top of that bolt head. And I mean, absolutely smack the fuck out of it about 5 or 6 times with a sledgehammer. And what it does is that it's gonna transfer that force down to the bolt. And if it is galled, it's gonna free it up a lot. And then you'll be able to turn them out. And for, you know, as far as spraying them, I sprayed them a few days prior. I used WD-40 and PB Blaster. I think I had more luck with the WD-40 than the PB Blaster. But they, you know, both of them definitely helped. But if you do that, there's a higher chance that you'll get those out without breaking them. You just really have to take your fucking time with these. And that is no joke.